Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines, or it is also called magnetic lines of force. Now, what is the definition of magnetic field lines? The path along which unit north pole moves in the magnetic field is called magnetic field line. Or the path along which unit north pole moves in the magnetic field is called magnetic field lines. Now one question, draw the magnetic field lines due to a bar magnet. We have to draw the magnetic field lines due to a bar magnet. For this, first we draw one bar magnet. This is north pole, one end is the north pole, another is south pole. Now if we place magnetic compass needle, then you observe that the north pole of the magnetic compass needle that will move like that. The direction of needle of the compass will be like that. If you place here the compass needle, then the direction of north pole will be also move like that. Then what you observe, the magnetic field lines that starts from the north pole and terminate to the south pole. Here also the magnetic field line that starts from the north pole and terminate to the south pole. So the magnetic field lines that originate from north pole and terminate to the south pole in a bar magnet. So here we draw the different magnetic field lines. This is the second magnetic field lines. Now all the magnetic field lines that is originate from north pole, so here direction of arrow will be like that, and terminate at the south pole. So magnetic field lines that originate from north pole of a bar magnet and terminate to the south pole outside the magnet. But inside the magnet, that is from magnetic field line that is starts from, that is moves from south to north direction, south to north direction. So outside the magnet, the direction of magnetic field line from north pole to south pole, but inside the magnet from south pole to north pole. Now next topic is, what are the properties of magnetic field lines? Properties of magnetic field lines. First point, all we see here, Magnetic field lines that originate from the North Pole and terminate to the South Pole. The magnetic field lines originate from North Pole and terminate to the South Pole. Outside the magnet. This is the first point. Second point, all we see here, magnetic field lines never intersect to each other. So second point, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. So first, what are the properties of the magnetic field lines? First one is the magnetic field lines originate from North Pole, terminate to the South Pole outside the magnet. Second is magnetic field lines, here you see not a single magnetic field line that intersect to each other. So note magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Third point, magnetic field lines is a closed and continuous curve. Closed and continuous curve. Because outside the magnet it moves from North Pole to South Pole. Inside the magnet that moves from the South Pole to the North Pole. So magnetic field lines are the closed and continuous curve. Fourth point, magnetic field lines are closer near the poles. All we see here the magnetic field lines that is closer near the poles, so a strength of magnetic field is stronger near the poles, not at the North Pole and also at the South Pole. But as we move away from the poles, either it is North Pole or South Pole, it becomes wider. All we see here, it becomes wider. So the magnetic field lines that are away from the North Pole or South Pole are wider. So strength of magnetic field will be decreases as we move away from the North Pole. So these are the properties of magnetic field lines. Now one question arises here. Why two magnetic field lines never intersect each other? Here the second point, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Suppose here two magnetic field lines that intersect at this point. At the point of intersection, this is the point of intersection. So suppose if two magnetic field lines, first one and second one, intersect each other, then at the point of intersection it shows the two direction. At the point of intersection it shows the two direction, which is not possible. That's why two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. In this case, how can you say that? Suppose here this is the magnetic field lines. What is the direction of magnetic field lines? Suppose this is the magnetic field lines. At this point, what is the direction of magnetic field? So at this point we draw the one tangent. The tangent drawn at any point on the magnetic field line that gives the direction of magnetic field. At this point, the direction of magnetic field lines like that. At this point, so each and every point the direction of magnetic field will be changes. How can you find out the direction of magnetic field? By drawing the tangent at that point. So direction of magnetic field lines at one point is always in one direction, but in this case, when suppose two magnetic field lines intersect each other, so at the point of intersection it shows the two direction, which is not possible. That's why we can say that magnetic field lines never intersect to each other. Thank you.